find a calm place and just listen along. First, I'll explain. We'll take 3 deep breaths, filling in and expanding our lower stomach, and then our mid and finally the upper chest. Hold it for a few seconds, then notice any tensions in various parts of your body. Exhale, relax, and find the tension draining out of your system. Okay, breathe all the way in. Hold and let it out. And again, breathe in, hold, and breathe out. And one last time. Now breathe normally. Just relax and ignore anything around you. Just focus on being relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now keep this relaxed state. Just listen and internalize these next affirmations. Breathe deeply and listen to this first affirmation. Number 1. Each time that I practice deep relaxation, it becomes easier and easier for me. I relax easily and deeply whenever I want to do so. Now think of a situation, relate it to this affirmation, and let yourself experience in your imagination being that kind of person, behaving that way in such a situation. See yourself as you are now. Relax easily whenever and wherever you want to. Next, let the positive emotion flow through your body and mind, and keep experiencing how this imagery feels. And feel good about being that kind of person. Again, for all these affirmations, you have to listen, then you experience in your mind, and then you feel it all through your body. Number 2. I'm a charismatic and engaging person, and I have an enthusiastic style of public speaking. I speak to people easily, and I enjoy the excitement of sharing ideas with large groups of people. Number 3. It is easy for me to focus my attention and become fascinated with a project or activity. Now think of a situation, either in your job, family, or social activity, in which it would be to your advantage to be able to concentrate your attention on something that is happening. It might be an activity like doing your finances, filling out a report, writing an important email, or studying a textbook. Put yourself right into the scene, sitting at your desk perhaps, and let yourself become engrossed in the process that you're working on. So involved in it that you lose track of time and think only about what you're doing. Use as many of your senses in your imagined experience as you can. Feel the book or papers in your hands. See the printing on the pages. Hear the sound of a page turning. Then let yourself feel good about the fact that you can concentrate so completely when you want to do so. Get a sense of personal satisfaction about being that kind of person. Number 4. I'm excited about the fact that my choices, decisions, and reactions are guiding the direction of my life. I reinforce successes and correct for errors, using my experience to become increasingly effective. Now experience this and feel it. Number 5. I have money coming to me in droves whenever I want, and each time in increasing amounts. Every time I'm in awe of the unlimited bounty, and I feel terrific of how much gets given to me. Number 6. I am a very enthusiastic person, and I enjoy expressing my enthusiasm and excitement to others. Number 7. I like and respect myself. I am a worthy, valuable person. Now let yourself experience this in your imagination, how it feels to be in that real situation, knowing that you are worthwhile, valuable, and significant. It might be a staff meeting, a party, an outgoing with your family, or sales interview. Project yourself into that event and let the feeling of self-esteem flow through your system. You can re-experience an event which you felt very good about in yourself, reinforcing that positive experience, or think of a situation in which you felt badly about the way you handled things, and relive this in your imagination on a more positive level. Handle the entire scene well. Let yourself feel good about you. Feel the warm, joyful glow of pride and satisfaction. Number 8. I am grateful to motivate, lead, and add value to my partner. Number 9. I feel great and happy living without fear or worry. I know that my life is a reflection of how I think. Number 10. I am an effing salad. The more I achieve of my potential, the more I get obsessed. The more I feel like slowing down or quitting, the more I fuel my focus and obsession to keep pushing. So listen, then experience it. The behavior and feel the positive emotions about being that kind of person. Number 11. I am so happy for all the healthy choices I make with my food, diet, and exercising. Number 12. I love staying consistent with my daily routine, working towards my goals and dreams. Number 13. I do physical activities throughout the week, and it gives me great pleasure. It keeps me fit, happy, and ready for the day. Number 14. I'm mentally strong. I deal well with adversity, and I can easily lead and make decisions whenever needed. Number 15. Listening for greater understanding excites me, and having an open mindset to always learn something new and obtain more information. Number 16. I enjoy being in the present moment and focusing fully on the here and now. It also allows me to build trust and respect with other people in conversations. Number 17. I dress my best, whether in the gym, going out, or at work. My appearance is a reflection of me, and people automatically get drawn to me. Number 18. I'm great in my career. I'm excellent in what I do, and I endeavor to be all I can be. Number 19. I'm a positive person. I think positive, I speak positive, and I focus on the positives and say next time. Number 20. I love that my enthusiasm about my work is contagious and I radiate success.